guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. In lieu of St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to be doing a polish swatch of the CND Creative Play nail polish. This is called Poppin Bubbly. It is 0.46 fluid ounces or 13.6 milliliters. I ordered this off eBay from yobeautyus. I paid $5.80 with free expedited shipping. It arrived within 4 business days. If you live outside of the U.S., I would recommend allowing a few extra business days for the product to arrive. The supplier offers many of the CND Creative Play polishes, and here are some of the stock photos that you can choose from. Just a little history note before we get started with the swatch. Creative Nail Design Incorporated began in 1979 in Vista, California. There is a real interesting story about a dentist named Dr. Normstrom. I won't go into all of the story, but you can find it in the description box with a link. They specialize in nail, hand, and foot beauty products as well as shellac products. The polish is vegan and cruelty-free with the exception of the product RESCUERXX, which uses keratin derived from sheep's wool. RESCUERXX repairs damaged nails using jojoba oil, which dramatically reduces peeling and white spots on the nail. And if you're interested in RESCUERXX, I'll provide a link in the description box for that as well. At first glance, the formula looks real watery and thin, real sheer-like. The brush is small and narrow looking, but I am really interested in trying out this polish because the CND social media sites speak very highly of their nail brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first coat, and then you'll get to see some first coat pictures, and then I'll come back and do my review. So the first coat is very, very thin and sheer. You just get a gold tinted layer on your nail. It does have a little shimmer to it, but you really can't see it all that well. And if you have any imperfections on your nail, like I do my thumbnail here, you can definitely tell with this polish where it's so thin. It'll definitely pick it up. So I ended up doing 4 coats of polish on the nails. The formula is real thin and watery. You do not get a good even manicure. You do get patchiness on the nail. I had to add 4 coats of the polish to get a decent manicure. The color itself isn't bad. I like a more dramatic look. This is more of a slick look. I think it would look really good against a tanned or darkened skin tone. Rating this polish from 0 to 5 stars, I would do 4 stars. Personally, to me, I didn't like how thin the polish was, the formula. And I didn't like having to use 4 coats to get a decent manicure. The brush on the polish surprised me though. At first it was real stiff, but as I began to use it, it started to loosen up. and it worked really well. So I was really happy with the brush. Overall, this is not a bad polish. If you like the color and you have the time to do 3 to 4 coats, then by all means do it. It does dry pretty fast where it's so thin. So it doesn't take long at all, just even do the 4 coats. If you're interested in this polish, or if you want to read the full reviews and customers' opinions, then you can follow the links in the description box below, or you can click on the pop-up on the video that will take you to the review website. And that is it for this video. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see y'all next Saturday. Bye, guys.